The Royal Naval Division was sent to Antwerp in October 1914 to support the Belgian Army, but the operation was a dismal failure. On the 9th of October, with the German army snapping at their heels, the 2nd Royal Naval Brigade headed north over the border into Holland. They were interned in Holland for the rest of the war, not as prisoners, but as internees. The Dutch created a camp for them at Groningen made entirely of wooden huts, which the men nicknamed HMS Timbertown. To relieve the boredom, the men formed concert parties, bands, clubs and sports teams. But in addition to this, they also formed a workshop in which to make souvenirs, such as this wooden picture frame. The polished wood frame has Royal Naval Brigade across the top and Holland written across the bottom underneath a warship. On the back it is inscribed, "Made by W. Gurdon, Internees Camp, Groningen, Holland, June 5th, 1917. It is often said that these were sold to raise money for the men of the Royal Naval Division, but either way, they are rather lovely and fascinating personal souvenirs.